Emmanuel Nunez had kind of a rude awakening Monday morning.
I got told, and I woke up this morning, and I didn't even saw my car. I was like, and then I called, and then, oh yeah, dude, your car got towed. I was like, why?
His car was one of the 194 vehicles towed during Manchester's snow emergency after 15 inches of snow fell in the Queen City.
And so did you even know that there was a snow emergency?
No.
People had to pay $200 cash to get their vehicle back.
$200 cash is just, okay. And look, how many cars are here? More than 40. And I can imagine how many were here prior to us coming now, so.
They told us 194.
Wow, do the math.
That math adds up to about $38,800. According to Queen City Towing, cars that are not picked up within a certain period of time are towed to an impound lot, costing owners an additional $165. From there, they are charged $50 for every day that their car sits in that lot.
Sometimes they think it's our fault, but it's just to clear the roads, make sure it's easier for people to park and drive down the road.
So don't shoot the messenger, you guys.
Don't shoot the messenger.
Manchester DPW and the mayor say this is all about safety. Emmanuel got his car back, but says he's not thrilled about the bill.
It is what it is, I guess. I didn't like it, didn't understand it, but I guess if I have to pay, I have to pay.
So how do you know if there is a snow emergency here in effect in Manchester? Well, one big indicator is that there is an alert on traffic lights. Those will blink white when there is a parking ban in effect. You can also check social media or sign up for alerts from the city's Department of Public Works. For now, we are live here at Derryfield Park in Manchester. Maria Wilson, WMUR News 9.